You will be amazed by this 2024 Hyundai Sonata. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, heated front seat, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, 8-speed AT. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.